Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to make an ASMR video for your products. Now what you want to do is to go to higgsfield.ai, and on the website just go on to click on Higgsfield apps, scroll on and choose the ASMR add-on. What this allows you to do is to basically advertise your product for free with an AI agent. Now all you have to do is just go on to upload your character image and your product image here. Now which means that you can, this image here is for the lady and the product is what she's holding. So if you want any character to actually advertise your product, just upload the character here and upload your product in this area. They would appear in in both places. Now you can now go ahead to type what you want your character to say and generate your video. Now this would cost you about 23 credits. If you're using a free account, sometimes you can only generate one video. However, I would advise you to go for the premium if you want to create more videos, or you're into drop shipping or other businesses that will require you creating more videos like this. So once you're done, your video would appear here, and then you can download it to your system and use it for your projects. So that's it guys. Or you can just, if this video isn't clear, you can just go scroll under to see what's your other steps. So that's it guys. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys.